as you can see from the title, we're going to Puerto Rico, and I'm actually really excited for this. So today I'm just gonna work on prep. It's actually Friday, February 10th, so this is the time. And as you can see, my nails are pretty busted, grown out quite a bit. So what is the first order of business? I'm gonna get my nails done, then I have a client to do at like 1 or 2, and then I have a house call for my lashes. I'm gonna take them off and get a new set. This is just what they look like. Gonna take them off and get a new set at around 6 p.m. Throughout the course of today, I'm gonna see if I can get that iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't know if I want to do another line, like another phone, like a third phone, or...
I just watched it.
Okay.
What time tomorrow?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you.
Cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I'm actually gonna park closer to the nail salon because walking is for chumps. But first I actually have to get Starbucks. So let's go get some Starbucks.
Do you want to eat your points?
No thank you.
Here you go. Do you want a straw?
Thank you, and yes please. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
And you too, thank you. I'm gonna just eat in front of the nail salon until I'm like ready to go in, because I'm really not ready. I really should not be eating this. We are done. I'm very happy to be here. I'm about to take a shower because I haven't showered all day. I'm going to sleep. So we're gonna go get some food. It's the next day and so much happened yesterday. I did so much. My clothes came, I tried them on. I still have all my Amazon packages. These are all of the Amazon stuff. So I'm gonna try not to put my address, but do you guys see? All of this is for this trip. Apparently we have all this stuff because there's something going on in my head, and you can't stop me. So let's just open the packages. I'm gonna start with this one because it's the biggest box, and then from there I could just put all the bags in a big box. So let's do that. All right, so this was in a big box. I'm gonna open it. It says, I really want to say Audrey, but that's not what it says. Tabby honey. So we got a tripod, but this one is for a camera. So it's a tripod. It have like full rotation, except for like, I don't think it could do something, but it also has the phone thing as well as the clicker. So there's that. Two things came in this box. It's a fan. I think it's this pink and white one. This is a case for all my cords and stuff. So laptop, charger. They had like a regular size one, but I wanted to get a bigger one because I have like a lot of cords and chargers, battery chargers. So it have like different, you know, parts, clickers, which is good because the ones that I have now, I think only of like 4 or 5 of them that I have laying around the house, only one works. So we need some new additions to the family, and I'm happy I got colored ones so I won't get mistaken, because every time I pick up the ones that don't work. Stupid, guys. We have this box. Let us see. This is a light. This is like the Alex Earl light, but this is like bright as fuck. I needed this. I have like 2 of these. This one might be the brightest because it has like 2,000 light things, bitch. It's just gonna do the job real good, better than all the other ones I have. And why I keep buying these, I don't know, but got them. This box had this set of stuff. We got this. We love a black girl in her pink honey. This, the one side piece, and the shorts. It's a vibe, and they're in medium. God, yeah, God, what is this? Oh, wow. We have another tripod because I'm gonna be doing this shit by myself. So this time I got like this heavy duty tripod. I got powder puffs, like 15 pieces, but I'm gonna blend my concealer out with it. Game changer, dude. Got a phone case. If you know anything about me, you know I love phone cases. Usually I like the square ones, but I just got the regular iPhone case. Oh, it got a screen protector in it too. I needed that. Got mirrors for my makeup. I'm gonna bring the pink one because, you know, we have a pink theme going on here. So these are like the travel size bags. So it has this bag and then these bags. I love pink. This is the last package, and it's the water phone case. Yay. So everything that I have, I will link it below in the description box just in case. All right, you guys, so it is currently the day I travel, almost 3:30 a.m. So let me tell you guys pretty much what happened after unboxing. It was Saturday then. I spent my whole Sunday, half of the day, I ate, I drank, I went to Sephora. I was a little tipsy when I came home, and I had to do hair, so I did a client's hair, and then I did this wig for a YouTube tutorial, and I had dinner reservations for 10 at this new restaurant in Miami called Giselle. If you know me, or like, you guys are gonna get to know me a lot more. I love going out to eat. It's literally my favorite thing ever. I've been trying to cut back on the spending on eating out, and it's been working for the most part, but I just love going out to eat. I love dressing up, taking pictures, getting dolled up, even if it means spending my own money and I don't have to go with a guy or somebody who's gonna pay for it. Like, I will go out to eat by myself because I am so good for that. I love dates. I love dates. But anyhow, after that, I had pictures. I came home, and oh, let me show you guys what my drink looked like. It was giving feeding my inner child. So this is literally the childish ass drink I got. But I got a snapper and some truffle mac, so that's what that looked like. And honestly, it was just good food, good vibes. The service was great. They were so kind, like, good stuff. and then came home, and I just finished packing. Like, I'm just not remembering. I'm on my cycle and I did not put any pads, so let me go and get those real quick and put them up here so I don't forget them. Alright, so we have the pads and the tampons because we're gonna need those. I'm gonna just put those in my duffel bag, and I'm also currently setting my alarms because, girl, I think I have to wake up by 7:30 so I could leave and get to the airport by 8:15 thereabout. So okay, maybe I'll wake up at 7:15. That makes the most sense because my flight is 10, so I want to get to the airport by 8:15. I think that's the goal because I do have to check a bag, and I don't know if it's 2 hours, if it's considered an international flight. I honestly don't know, but let me go ahead and do 7:15, 7:20, 7:25. I also have to drop off the baby's 2 extra pajamas and some boxers. I let him wear little boxer briefs, you know, because we're transitioning to potty training pretty soon, so he's just getting used to having boxers on. So those, he's at the babysitter's right now. I took him earlier, and yeah, if you can hear, his clothes are currently drying. I'm doing his load before I leave, and I get back on literally Wednesday, so it's not long at all. It's a quick trip. So I'm gonna just go ahead and check out right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I am super exhausted. I'm going to bed, so catch me in the next vlog because then I'll have my clothes on, my hair will be a little bit more curled up, and we'll be heading to Puerto Rico. Bye guys.